Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to use the latest ChatGPT 5 for our daily routines. So let's get started. So we will search ChatGPT on Google and we'll go to introducing ChatGPT. Then we'll click on try ChatGPT. So to use ChatGPT we have to log in. So first I will sign up, which is free. Then I will sign up with my Google account. I will use this Google account. Click continue. Life, birthday. You have to fill this as per. Yes. And here you are. This is the Chat GPT 5. You can use the Chat GPT 5 right now.